Welcome back, South Africa. Just missing that puppet. Had the opportunity to talk to IFP fashionista and, good guy, Ambrosini. And, this is what happened. Huh? Ambrosini.
Halala! I'm talking to the country's whitest Zulu outside of Johnny Clegg, IFP Member of Parliament, Dr. Mario Ambrosini, Sambonani Baba Ninjani.
Hello.
How Kulumi is Zulu?
Let's get down to the business of the day.
Down to the business.
We are here to talk politics.
About business.
Can you talk politics?
Talk politics.
Can you talk about the interest of the country? Can you talk about the situation in South Africa? Can you talk about the lack of governance? Can you talk about the lack of economic vision? Can you talk about the growing welfare state which is not sustainable? Can we talk about anything meaningful?
Where did you get your title?
Brioni, of course.
Brioni, I knew it. I absolutely knew it. Listen, you could have chosen any party you liked when you came to South Africa. Why did you choose the IFP? Did Home Affairs force you to do it to get a visa or what?
No, it was before Home Affairs, but because Prince Buthelezi is really hell of a nice guy.
Yeah, you yourself represented the IFP at Codesa, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
So let's be honest with you.
From the very beginning.
In the very, I heard about that. Did they collaborate with apartheid or not?
Not at all.
But I mean, why do people say that they did?
Well, because history is written by the winner.
Okay, I've got another question. Yes. You helped create South Africa's immigration laws when you helped out at Home Affairs. Isn't getting an immigrant to write immigration laws like putting Lindiwe Mazibuko in charge of the dessert table?
Well, it takes some expertise to get a job done. I know that this is an unusual concept within Parliament and government.
What, actually, expertise or dessert tables?
Expertise.
Expertise, yeah.
Also the dessert tables, but expertise are much rarer to find than dessert tables.
And you're a lawyer or something,
and, yes, I'm a lawyer. I had post-grad courses in immigration law, and I've been an immigrant from Italy to the United States, from the United States.
You've been more immigrant than anyone I know. My God, it's like you're traveling. Do you walk around the country, going all over to different countries, finding little political parties to join?
Yeah, I used to do that in my younger age.
Oh, was that when you were a political slutty youth or something?
I used to be very bright when I was younger.
And then what happened? You joined the IFP. Boom!
One of the things that I don't feel good about South Africa, that the youth is not given the role it should have.
What role should they have? I mean, are you talking generations, backstage?
No, generationally.
Oh, generationally. Generation's a TV show, boss.
Yeah, I know. I try not to know, but I happen to know. I try to forget.
This guy doesn't watch TV. I love you, man. Okay, let's take this a step further then. Yes. What does IFP do that makes it different from every other little political party out there?
Liberalized market forces. We recognize that the present welfare system cannot survive. You see, we have a two-tier welfare system. We have welfare for the industrialists, and we've got welfare for the poor.
What's your finger representing? The industrialists or the poor people?
Up the industrialists, down the bottom of the social pyramid.
Yeah.
And you and I, including puppets, right there in between, financing both of them.
Yeah.
That's why we spend twice as much to buy a car in South Africa as we could buying the same car produced in South Africa once it's exported abroad.
So what is your solution to this?
The solution is very simple. Eliminate the Department of Public Works, the Department of Public Enterprises, the Department of Communication.
But if we eliminate the part of education and public works, who's going to build all that stuff? Are you going to build it? Have you got Italian contractors waiting to come build it?
This is the misconception. Public works doesn't build anything. It gets other people to build it.
Yeah,
so the municipality can contract. The province can contract. If you need to change...
You want to get rid of public works?
Yes.
Have you been smoking dacha?
Not for a long time.
Not for a long time. Listen. You're always doing funny things in Parliament. I've seen you asking funny questions for days. I've seen you really pissing off those guys.
What funny questions?
You're always asking funny questions.
Listen, I do ask proper questions. The only thing I found extremely concerning, in Parliament I raised a couple of points, and I quoted Immanuel Kant.
Yeah.
And one of my colleagues stood up and raised a point of order, saying that that was not a parliamentary expression.
I don't understand.
That's the problem.
You can or you can't. This guy! Oh my God!
Okay.
The IFP! I think the F stands for a rude word. IFP. I'm out of here, man. Go. Ambrosini, you crazy. Keep doing what you're doing, but just you go and say hi to the prince for me. That gotcha. Vote the lazy guy. Sorry. Manga Suto.
Ambrosini. And now it's time for the Morale Index, where we evaluate the country's morale